Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can add AI custom columns in your projects. Here we have a project. To add AI custom columns, click on this plus button, then select AI Suggested section. Here you'll find AI Suggested columns. Let's say we want to add the lead source channel column. We will simply click on Add. A pop-up will appear where you can change the column name and column type. You can also change the column description. Below that, you can add labels. You can manually add label names, or click on Suggest for AI to suggest label names. As you can see, AI has suggested 3 label names. The label color can also be changed. Simply click here and choose a different color. For now, we'll leave it as is and click on Add Column. Our lead source channel column has been added. That's how easy it is to add AI custom columns in your projects. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.